Hello, and today I would like to introduce you the release of my course Ethereum Dapp In Motion, released in partnership with Manning. So in this course, I will teach you how to build dApps on Ethereum, and in particular, we're going to do a final project where we build a full decentralized exchange for ERC20 tokens. So it will be something similar to IDEX or Fork Delta if you're familiar with this kind of dApps. So in this kind of dApps, traders are able to buy and sell tokens in a peer-to-peer way without the interference of any central counterparty. So actually, after you follow this course, you can build your own DEX and you can do something like localization. Like for example, if you from a non-English speaking country, then you could translate DEX in your language. And you could start a business this way, or you can use it to as your portfolio to apply for jobs at blockchain companies. So this course means a lot to me because I've really worked really hard for the past 6 months, and it's actually one of the reasons why there was less video on Eat the Blocks at some point. It's because I was putting all my free time working for the mining course. Now it's done at about 60%. And it's going to be delivered in full by January of next year, so very soon. You can start to order right now by going to the website of Manning, and if you use this coupon code, you will get 50% off until November 14. So why is this course special? There are already some other courses on Udemy and other platforms. So what Manning does is very different from this other platform. So on platform like Udemy, anyone can register and upload its content, and there is no vetting process or review really deep. So it's a little bit difficult to have an idea of the quality of the content on this website. You have some good teacher, but the platform itself doesn't do anything to help you find out about this. Manning, originally, it's a publisher of technical books, so a very reputable publisher. They're one of the most famous one, and they're famous for their book series in action. So you have a lot of books that are called Technology X in action, and they decided to launch their video platform recently. And so when you do a course with Manning, you don't just release your content and upload it to their website and that's it. No, it doesn't work like that. There is a whole review process where I upload the video to a platform, and they have a different people who review the video and makes a lot of comments, say, okay, well, I think that you said this, but actually this is not true, or this section should be removed, or it should be made more simple, or you should break down these videos into 3 videos. So there are actually a lot of videos that I had to remake like 2 or 3 times. So it actually takes way more time than my video for Eat the Blocks, but it's also a guarantee of really high quality. So as a learner, you are sure that what you will find in this course is accurate and has been adjusted, refined so that you can follow it really easily. If you have any question about this course, don't hesitate to put them in the comment here, and I will do my best to answer all the questions. And make sure, as I said before, to use the coupon code before November 14, so you can save 50%. So it's about 25 bucks that you save. And yeah, and that's it, guys. I'm really happy to have released this course, and I really hope it's gonna help you a lot to kickstart your career in the blockchain industry and make you become a better developer. Thanks for watching, and see you for my next videos.